Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to repost someone else's Instagram story into our Instagram story. So the first thing you have to do, open your Instagram application, and after that, if you are in the home section, make sure that you are go into this inboxes or TM symbols on the top right corner here. And after that, if someone messages you on their story, there will be like pop up on your DM. And after that, you just need to go click it, and you can check what story that they tagged to you in. And if you want to repost it, you just need to go click this add to your story. And if you want to resize in it, you just need to go click it to make it like fulfilling all of the screen on your Instagram story. Or if you want to like make your friends ID also pop up on your story, you can do like this way. And after you done adjusting it, you just need to go click add to your story and wait until the story is uploaded into yours. So you just need to go back and check either the story is already posted or not. So that's the way how to repost Instagram story on your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.